Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on how to cancel the disintegration effect if I choose to back off or cancel the match in the middle. So here, let me attack one of the members in the enemy party, and then when the enemy party member attacks us, here. Now this character is killed, so it's disintegrated. Now we have the turn next turn, but if I back off from the match, you see here my all three characters are still there, already there, are back alive. So that's because the disintegration effect is cancelled on those characters even if they were dead, because I have a revive ability. So today we are going to work on, in the revive ability, how to cancel the disintegrated character mesh so that it back working. Right, so before we get started, here is the full playlist of this series. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself. And also, if you choose to become a member, you can access the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done in my channel. So yeah, to the date there are over 2000 videos. For each video, project files are available. Right, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave links to everything in description below. Right, so here, for example, let me go and start the match, and here let me, so yeah, one of my characters already dead. Okay, so if I back off from the match, here you see this character is still fading out. So that is one thing I want to resolve. And also we have another problem where here, if I press parry, see, not the target character, the first character was doing the parry jump. Sorry, not parry, dodging. So those are the two things we need to resolve. Okay, first let's see regarding the fading out thing. So for that, let me open the character. And we do have some revive. Where did we implement revive? Here, okay, maybe it's a ability. Let's see. Yeah, revive. So here, I do revert physics simulation on the character, but I don't do anything regarding the reverting the material fading out material effect that we applied. So we need to do that. So how do we do that? Yeah, this is disintegration great character. Okay, so when we do that here, before this step, we can try this. Let's see, from the mesh we can get materials. Yeah, get materials, and promote a variable original materials. We could follow this as well actually. This, let me quickly check the disintegration still works. Yeah, it does. Okay, why is it too slow? Didn't I fix that? That's fine. It's not a big deal. Ah, yeah, sorry. I did this because last time I wanted to capture a screenshot, so that's why I did that slowing down. Now it's very nice quickly. So yeah, now to revert that. Okay, so here I save this and let's add a variable to a boolean disintegrated. I'll set that to true here, and here when I am about to fade out the character, I'll check this. If this is disintegrated, is still true. Also, here, if this is false, I'll stop this. Right? Now, I'll add another event. Let's call it a custom event. Cancel disintegration. And here, I'll get the mesh, set overlay, material with an empty material. So the overlay should go away, and then original materials, which let's reapply them to the mesh. The material index is this, material is this one. Okay. Also, here I'll set disintegrated to false. Right? Here I should set it to true. Okay. Alright, now in the revive, we do need a reference to the character. I can get the actor from actor info and cast to the base character. Cancel disintegration. I'll finish this either way. Alright, now let's test. So here, if I go back, oh, wait. Did the revert effect work? Oh yeah, I can see all three characters. But here, if I disconnect, you see, this character is faded out already. Reprocess and back. See, all three characters are there. So that means disintegration is reverted. Let me demonstrate again. Attack. See, the other character is not there. It's dead. It's disintegrated. But if I revert, it's back. All three characters are there. Okay. So the first problem is resolved. I don't have a collision here. Maybe since that the parent dodging the wrong character problem is not related to this disintegration and cancelling out, I'll leave that for another episode. So I'm going to stop this episode right here. Right, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link could be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.